Hey YouTube, this is Aviation Justin 96. Today I'm going to be throwing the United Cutlery triple lightning set at my alien target. So I can only hold one of these at a time, so I'm going to put a set down. Here we go. Nice, that went right in his chest. Same. Just missed his head. As you can see, I've already thrown this a lot, but it's a deep wounds. Mr. Alien is pretty much dead. About the knives, the United Cutlery triple lightning bolt set, they're pretty nice. They've got a good weight to them considering they're small. Camera will focus. There we go. Obviously they're tactical knives. The black coating will wear off eventually, but that's normal. It's well balanced. It's not as much for the no spin method because it's just small and you can't really hold it as well for that. Plus this spike makes it kind of difficult. So all in all, these knives are very nice. They're about $16 on Amazon plus shipping. So, and they sink in the targets pretty well. So that's all I have for you today, guys. Have a nice day.